Hi everyone, so I'm going to make a quick video here to show you how to create a scroll bar in Excel to kind of use with your data set. As you can see, I already made one over here on the right, and just this, but it's just a lot smaller and you can quickly get through it. It's just useful, again, if you have a large data set, you want to have multiple large data sets on the same workbook or it's a worksheet, then, it's kind of useful. Also just good, I guess, to know what's up with Microsoft and what they're doing. So the first thing is you want to do is I copied over the header of my data sets right here. And then, so you're going to need the developer tab on your ribbon. That's really easy to do. The three dots, more commands, and then there's an option for ribbons, and just scroll down and make sure that developer is checked. But so again, I can't do it because I'm sharing my screen, and it'll ask me to verify if that's okay, and it messes the video up, but really easy to do. So after you're there, click scroll bar. Try to line it up as much as possible. And it's going to default to the horizontal, but it's not a big deal. And then you can make it as thin or as wide as you want, or as tall or short as you want, but I'm going to do it relatively short and medium, I guess. And then you're going to want to format it, click right click, format control. And then the maximum value, you can change this whatever you want. It's going to default to 0 and 100, but if you have a very large data set, you might need to put 500 or something, but in my case, I think mine's about 75. The other things are properties and protection, just leave those as default. That's the best case scenario. And then a cell link. So you want to do is just pick a random cell, truthfully, but just don't forget it. Because if you do forget it, then it kind of is an issue when you're trying to link it later. But it doesn't really matter as long as you have a cell to link it to. And so now equals the code you're going to put in here to get the data from your data set into the smaller little data set that has a scroll bar is equals offset. And then your reference is going to be the first cell here, comma. And then that's why I had you remember the other reference cell, which was the scroll bars link, comma, 0, comma, 1, comma, 1. And then you can drag it to the right. And then just drag it down to here. And as you can see, all the data. Now it is all messed up, and that's just because it's not formatted correctly. So if I come over here to home, number, and then I'll do it as accounting. So yeah, I mean, it's really simple. Like I said, and you can also always just format these things too. So if you want to put these into the center, and let's say you want to put it, if you want to arrange this stuff to the left, the columns. So once you have it here, you can just format it as you would like. It's no different than just a regular kind of data set, but it just, instead of it being just like this, it's kind of like this. And again, as you can see, you can scroll down, click on this number, click down. Yeah. And so it's just really simple and easy. I thought you guys might enjoy it, might be helpful for somebody. So thanks for listening.